Hello, got some half-fast news here for you. Well, I went out looking for gold the other day, and, well, it was kind of warm, and I worked and worked and worked, and I found 57 pounds of iron and 36 pounds of lead bullets and, various stuff like that. I dug up an old tractor. I thought it might be a gold nugget. And, old Model T and stuff like that. And, but the gold nuggets, I got a couple of them too, yeah, of course. I don't want to brag about how many pounds I got of gold, but, it's just understood that when I use that special detector I've got, I get the gold. And, what it is, I've got it's one of them electric, you put batteries in there, you drag it along the ground. Well, I hopped it up, see. I put a transistor radio on it, and I wired it in there, and when I crank up that dial, that thing goes deep. It goes plumb down to Australia almost. And then, see, I can change channels on it, and if I got enough gold, I'll just tell it to find silver. It'll do that. Yeah, I got a bucket on there. It goes around, around, around. Hell, it even digs stuff for me. And it's got a conveyor belt on it. It sorts that silver and gold. It separates it, puts it in the right sack. And I got wheels on it now. Didn't have wheels at first, but I got wheels on it now. Yeah, and it's radio controlled. Like them copters there, them little four-wheel propeller things. Drones. Yeah, it's got a drone on it. And I'm going to send it out there with a drone and tell it to bring me in a load of merchandise and goodies and minerals, and it does. And I can sell the plans for you to make you one. I can't sell the actual machine because I think the law don't allow it. But I can sell the plans now, see? So I ship them through one of them foreign countries and back over here. Kind of espionage, except that I'm not espionage. I'm American. Oh, I'm all American. And, but, after your laws, sometimes you have to kind of push them out of the way. It's no big thing. What was I talking about? Oh, there I go. And, I'm having a giveaway next week. If your name is, Rasputin, well, send me an email. If that's your real name, you send me an email, and I'm giving away a lot of gold. So you just stay tuned there. In the meantime, I got a book on there on the Amazon, of course, and it shows you how to make dry washers and several other implements. You want to make your own gold finding tools. I got this on there. It's called Gold Wolf, and it's for sale. You get a printed version or an ebook version, and you can make your own tools that way. And give a few points there. And okay, that's the half-past news for today. And I appreciate all the books you bought from me and your support you've given me and those nice reviews. Oh, I love that. And you can give me a nice review even if you don't mean it, because it'll make you feel good to say something nice about a man like me, declining years there and all that. It'll make you feel good to do that. Be kind to animals and old people, So that's about it there, and thank you. Bye.
Cigarettes and whiskey and wild women, they'll drive you crazy, they'll drive you insane. Cigarettes and whiskey and wild women, they'll drive you crazy, they'll drive you insane.